How to download SoundCloud on mobile. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to download SoundCloud on mobile. So let's get started. First thing, just open up your Play Store on your mobile device and simply search in for SoundCloud. So it's a simple process. So once you search in for SoundCloud, you should get this option or icon over here, which is a cloud with a black icon. Simply select it. So as you can see, it has over 100 million plus downloads. So you can just tap on this install button, and based on your internet connection, it should be automatically downloaded and installed on your device. So you just have to wait for a few seconds. And once it is successfully installed, you can just tap on this open button to open the SoundCloud application and start creating an account if you don't have one, or if you have one, you can just tap on login button to successfully log into your SoundCloud account. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.